it as this step. So if the estimation of the system cost is not very good or configuration does not respect all the constraints, this will be costly at the detailed study and then during exploitation of this slide. This machining system are costly from 500,000 to 5 million, even 10 million euro for our machining system, our line. Limited time for contract negotiation for preliminary design stage, maximum 2 weeks. And this market is exceedingly competitive. So our partner need to decision aid tools on software tool to optimize this system at preliminary, especially preliminary design step. Number of possible solutions for such a system is very large. Each potential solution should be studied in detail at this step. Time is short, and the author must verify all the constraints and be profitable for client and manufacturer. Major challenge, so propose design solution quicker, of better quality and at lower cost than the competition. And so we need a decision aid system. This is critical for this